Go.
Hi everyone, welcome to Camp GD. My name is Alana Tbsp and I'm a systems engineer in the engineering leadership program out of Dedham, Massachusetts. Summer is right around the corner, so today we're making homemade ice cream. The ingredients that we're going to need to make homemade ice cream in a bag is 1 cup of half and half. You can choose a dairy-free option at your local supermarket. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of ice, 1/3 of a cup salt, and whatever toppings you'd like to enjoy on your ice cream. Today, I chose whipped cream and Reese's Take Bars. So let's get started. We're gonna start by making the ice cream portion of this. So we are gonna take our half and half and pour 1 cup into a measuring cup. So I'll go ahead and do that. And you want to make sure it's relatively precise. So that looks about right. And then you're going to take your Ziplock bag. I recommend using a resealable gallon Ziplock bag to make this type of ice cream. So we're going to go ahead and pour in our 1 cup of half and half. We are then gonna add in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So I pour mine into a cup so I can scoop it easier. And here is my 1 tablespoon measurer. So I'm just gonna shake it so it's perfectly level. Dump it into the bag and do that twice. Then we are going to add in a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So this is my half a teaspoon measurer. And be careful when you're pouring this because this is a small measurement here. So just about that, and then dump it into the bag. Reseal that. And then you're going to zip it up, but you want to press all of the air out of the bag as you zip it. So I'm kind of using the countertop here to push the excess air out and zipping it as I go. So there is what's going to be our ice cream.
Go.
So now that we have our ice cream mixture made, I'm going to add about 3 cups of ice into another gallon plastic bag. So that was about 4 cups, which is fine. You want enough ice to cover the ice cream in the bag when you shake it so that the ice cream gets really, really cold. Then we are gonna add a 1/3 cup of kosher salt. So I have my 1/3 cup measurement here. And I'm gonna pour it directly over the ice. Just add in a touch more because I under measured. The salt is gonna help keep the ice cold. So back in the day, before refrigerators, they actually stored things like meat, cheeses, and milk on salt blocks. And now we are gonna take our ice cream mixture that we made earlier and put it directly in to this bag. And we want to kind of work the ice cream in between the ice cubes, making sure that the whole bag on the inside is covered because we want it to get nice and cold. Then I'm going to zip up this gallon bag and start shaking. You want to shake for about 7 to 12 minutes. You're going to notice that the ice cream eventually starts to coagulate and clump together in the bag. And when you're done shaking and it is fully together, then you can enjoy. After you've shaken it for about 7 to 12 minutes, you'll notice your ice cream starts to form a ball in the bag. So when you're ready and you think it's firm enough, take out the bag that was inside of the ice. You'll see that it's now frozen into chunks. And then open the bag. And then if you look inside, it looks just like ice cream. So we are gonna scoop it out. I have a spoon here, and I'm gonna scoop it out of the bag and into my bowl. So I just scraped all the ice cream, or most of the ice cream, out of the bag, and now I'm gonna add my toppings. So I have my Reese's Take 5 bar, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on. Then I'm gonna take my Ready whipped cream, give it a good shake, and top it off. Feel free to add whatever toppings you'd like, and enjoy.